In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more storage in Google Workspace. If your organization is running low on space, there are two main ways to increase storage in Google Workspace. You can either upgrade your current Google Workspace edition, or you can purchase additional pooled storage as an add-on. Which option is best will depend on how much storage you need, and whether you want to improve storage across the entire organization or simply add more shared capacity. To get started, sign in to the Google Admin Console using a Super Administrator account. This is important because only the right admin permissions will allow you to make billing and subscription changes. Once you are in the Admin Console, open the menu, then go to Billing, and select Buy or Upgrade. This is where you'll manage your current subscription options and see what storage-related upgrades are available. The first option is upgrading your Google Workspace edition. In many cases, this can be the more cost-effective choice, especially if your users are already close to their storage limits. Upgrading your edition often gives you significantly more storage per user. For example, moving from Business Starter, which includes 30 GB per user, to Business Standard increases the pooled storage allowance to 2 TB per user. That can be a major jump, and it may offer better value than purchasing separate storage add-ins. Under the Google Workspace section, look for plans such as Business Plus, Enterprise Standard, or Enterprise Plus. Choose the edition that fits your organization's needs. Then click Upgrade. From there, follow the prompts to confirm the change. If you don't want to upgrade everyone's license, here is another option. You can buy additional storage as an add-on. This is useful if your organization simply needs more pooled storage without changing its current Google Workspace plan. To do that, stay in the Buy or Upgrade area and click on Google Workspace Add-ons. If you see the Google Workspace Additional Storage card, click Get Started. This add-on is typically available in bulk storage blocks, such as 100 GB, 1 TB, or 10 TB, depending on what's offered for your account. These blocks are added to your organization's pooled storage, helping you expand capacity without moving to a different edition. After clicking Get Started, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the subscription. That's all it. Thanks for watching.